Now focal distances. Here in the figure what we are having, S1P and S2P, these are the two focal distances of the hyperbola. Okay, and as usual L1, L2, L3 and L4 are the directrix, S1 and S2 are the foci. Okay, so now as we have done in the ellipse, so what we are going to prove now, we are going to prove that the distance of the focal distances from any point on the parabola is a constant or is equal to the length of its transverse axis. Okay, so this we are going to prove. Now let Px comma y, here is a point Px comma y, be any point on the hyperbola one thing, then S1 and S2, S1 and S2 be the two foci and L1, L2, L3, L4 be the corresponding directrix. These are the simple things which I already told you. Now join S1P, S2P. We have to join S1P and S2P. Then draw. Now we have to draw PM1 perpendicular on L1, L2 and PM2 perpendicular on L3, L4 on the two directrix. Also draw PL perpendicular on x-axis. Where is point P? Point P and point L. Draw PL perpendicular on x-axis. Now, by the definition, now what we are having, S1P is equal to E eccentricity with PM1. Okay, first part, S1P is equal to E, that is eccentricity greater than 1 with PM1. Now this we can write it is equal to E. Now PM1 is equal to LZ1 or this we can write it. Now LZ1, what we can write it? OL minus OZ1. LZ1, it will be from O to L subtracting O to Z1. Okay, so this we are having now E with x minus A upon E. OL is equal to x and OZ1 is equal to A upon E. So this is equal to EX minus A 1. Similarly, S2P is equal to E times PM2. Now this is equal to E times LZ2 and this is equal to E OZ2 plus OL. Again OZ2 is equal to A upon E and OL is x. Okay, so this becomes E with A upon E minus plus x. This is equal to A plus EX. Second. Is it clear? Now subtracting 2, okay, subtracting 1 from 2. S2P minus S1P is equal to is equal to A plus EX minus 1, EX minus A, and this is equal to 2. So what I told you in the beginning, that the difference of the focal distances is equal to the constant term or length of the transverse axis. Okay. So from here constant, it is 2a is a constant term. Okay. So a small recap, what we have done it now. Number 1, we are having the focal distances of any point p x comma y on the hyperbola is, or r on the hyperbola r, ex plus minus a, writing together. Okay. And number 2, the difference of focal distances of a point on the hyperbola is constant, one thing, or equal to length of the transverse axis. So this was all about the